just a little clip that I'm going to show you that I found on my phone. It's just clearing out some old footage. And I was just about to delete it and I thought, no, do you know what, it's worth showing. It's back last year when Phil was with me, and it was in the middle of summer. And we were putting some edging around a little lawn, two little lawns, putting an edging round. And it was an absolutely lovely, dry summer's day. And then the clouds were coming over and I said, it looks like it's going to rain. And this is what happened. Oh. What do you think, Phil?
Horrible.
What do you think of the summer?
Lovely, love it. Bring on the winter.
Yeah, let's try it in the winter.